Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube. Today's video will be kind of a quick review and testing and see difference between I have 5 different type of multimeters. So this one it's about 100 200 something, about $85 or something. This one is about $60. This one is a classic, I don't know how much it's worth. This one is only $10 and available anywhere. So I mean this is like you can see the simple one is got pretty much all the functions necessary you need, the DC, AC power, ohms, continuous, and ampere, diode, and so on. So pretty much it's got most important functions you need. And this one, however, it's kind of more it's a bigger, little bit has a little bit more details on it. Same thing with this, and so on. So let's start with first of all, I'm just gonna turn them on, and we'll check the DC and AC power to see if there is any different between among those fives. So the AC, all of them, this is AC voltage and DC voltage, and same thing this one, and this one, it also has a DC voltage and AC voltage. So there is 750 and 200, over 200. Those are auto, this is manual, and this is also auto. So we'll start with this one first to see how much we'll read for the DC power. $123 123.7 volt. Okay, let's see this one, how much is gonna read. So this one 120.6. Right now there are 3 volt, about 3 volt different. This is extra 3 volt. Let's see the little one, how much will read. $121, 122, 121 volt. So each one has a different reading so far. There are about 3 volts different between the 3 of those. 123, 120, 123, 120, 122. Let's see this one. The red lines that are AC power, and so it just does not say nothing, but I could say maybe each from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1 it's 50, from 1 to 2 it's another 50, so that's 100, and there are maybe 20 here. So I would say, yeah, just that I could be wrong, but this, the AC, I just cannot be reading. Here is the same voltage, yeah, so 10, 50, 200, 10, 50, and then 200. Yeah, if you know much better than me, please comment below. Let me know how to calculate the voltage and read correctly, because here's jumping like from 10 to 50, 250. So the right now it's on the middle, between 50 and 75. And so let's say if this is like a 50 from 0 to 1, another 50, and then 100, and then we'll add this like 20, so that will be about 120 volt or something. And this dial cannot do nothing even if I turn it either way. So this dial is for ohms adjustment only, not voltage. Now we saw about 123, 120, 122. So it's just about 3 voltage different or so. Let's try DC volt, and we'll test the DC and see what's the different. So the DC, all this one, it's manual, and you can see here. So I'll just use the 25. There is a Z5, 25, 125, and that's a DC volt, up to 500 volt. This one is the same thing. Start from 20 and all the way to 1000. So I'll use 20, and those are both autos, this one. So let's start with this one first. Just a regular battery, 1.5 volt. So I'm just gonna change the range. So yeah, this one 1.3 volt. Let's try this one. Same thing, 1.3 thing. Let's see this one. Okay, I'm just gonna change from 25 to 5 volt. Yeah, that's exactly 1.3, as you see. Now let's see what this one does. $1.26. Actually, this it stopped working anymore. I was gonna fix it, but it's not worth it, because the entire electronic board inside, it's kind of blown up. Sorry, I use it for high voltage, very high voltage. It was like up maybe 5,000 or something voltage, and it blow up. And this one cannot take more than like this, up to 1,000, I think. Oh, 750 only. 750 AC power, AC volt. So it kind of blow up, and it did not work anymore. But yeah, so nothing much like different, not much different among those I'm sure like pretty much all multimeter, it cannot be 100% exact the same. They kind of a little bit sometimes like even as 99% can be either higher or lower or something, but they all work fantastic. Now, to be honest with you, this is like, what if you ask me what is the best, for me, if I use fixing like electronics and so on, and more reliable, I use this all the time, because the reason it has all things I need, all functions. Pretty much it has a loud voice, so I can hear it. And this one also is pretty good. The thing about I don't like about this, the numbers is kind of hard to see. This one, it's way clear. You can see it very easy. Everything is clear. This is it's just classic, and still some like shops, people still using it, but I don't use it anymore because I get used to the numbers, and those are just I'm not get used to this anymore. However, this one is the RS manual multimeter. It works fantastic, and I'll do a video about this for more details and so on. Now, this is the little one for $10 or so. I found this one, it is really cheap to have and it works fantastic. This is everyday I use IIT, the model number 26415, because this one basically it has everything you need. And you know, it's not exactly, it does not give you like pretty much exact numbers or exact reading, but still very useful, small, and you know, pretty much everyday use. The battery, it takes a 9-volt battery. You can replace it by just opening those 2 screws in the back, replace the battery. And that's the good thing I like about this, because it's simple, very easy to use, and of course nothing better than you know, simple, easy to use, no complications, nothing. Those are 2 here. I'll do a specific video for this, maybe for this one and this one, more details. And so because if you like here, you can see there is a bottom here for this one. It says A ampere, 400 milliampere, or 4 milliampere. So that's how you change the here data hold, if you want to hold the data so you can remember this kind of things and so on and off, you know, just like that. And of course the good thing about this, it has a back, so you can like that, you can read correctly and everything. And the diode test here, and ohm also. And this is for HFE reading for like transistors, or you know, so quick reading, quick test here, and so on. So yeah, pretty much I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and like and share. Check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly, randomly. You may like a video or so, and consider subscribe, like and share. All the best, and hope to see you next video.